Alright Oppo users, let's talk about how to keep your privacy intact while creating an Oppo account. In today's digital age, safeguarding your personal info is crucial. If you're hesitant to share your phone number for verification, I've got a solution for you, using a disposable number from MobileSMS.io. Oppo, as you know, is a top player in the smartphone world, offering seamless data access across devices. Creating an Oppo account is essential, but typically it requires a phone number for verification. But what if you could bypass that step securely? Here's how you can do it with MobileSMS.io. Step 1. Head to your Oppo device's settings and select the option to sign up for an Oppo account. Step 2. Now visit MobileSMS.io on your browser. Choose the country for your disposable number and select Oppo as the platform. Step 3. Generate your disposable number on MobileSMS.io and enter it into the Oppo account creation form. Step 4. You'll receive an SMS verification code on the disposable number. Enter this code into the Oppo form. Step 5. Create a password to finalize your Oppo account setup. Using a disposable number like those from MobileSMS.io helps maintain your privacy, avoid spam, and keeps your real number confidential. But that's not all. MobileSMS.io is versatile. You can use it for other platforms too, like Xiaomi Hey Plus or Proton Mail, ensuring your privacy across the board. Remember, using disposable numbers protects your data from breaches, unwanted messages, and maintains your anonymity. So, creating an Oppo account without a phone number is easy with MobileSMS.io. Keep your information secure and enjoy the peace of mind. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.